Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus. The organelle responsible for osmoregulation in Paramecium is Paramecium and amoeba live in fresh water, and their cytoplasm contains a greater concentration of solutes than their surroundings, and so they absorb water by osmosis, and the excess water is collected in the contractile vacuole, which swells and finally expels water through an opening in the cell membrane. Okay, so the organelle responsible for osmoregulation in Paramecium is A. Flame cell, no. B. Nephridia, no. C. Contractile vacuole, yes. The contractile vacuole collects the excess water and expels it through an opening in the cell membrane. So the answer option C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.